It's going to be a scary day today.
Ooh.
So we're gonna be talking to the seller who's got like who's got skeletons in the closet, essentially. We're gonna focus in on an old for sale by owner. What could be spookier?
Our roleplay group is made up of agents and ISAs from across the country who are working on staying on the phone, overcoming objections, setting more appointments, and getting more yeses. If you'd like to set more appointments and get more yeses, click the link below and join us.
And we're gonna work through the fact that they had, it's either haunted, or it has a closed down floor plan, or it's it's a bad neighborhood. Whatever they were told or whatever feedback they got on why they weren't getting the amount for their house that they wanted, that's what we're going to kind of dive into. That's their objection. So sometimes sort of people throw their hands up and they're like, oh, this floor, everybody says this floor plan's outdated, I won't get the money I want. They take it off the market. But we got to remember them for what they are, which is hand raisers, somebody that said they wanted to sell their house. And we've got to kind of work through the logic, figure out maybe what they've been told that isn't true, all those sort of things. So I've had a few more people jump on the call. Scott, what's up, man? Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the call. All right, so I think everybody jumped on right about the time we were going through the objection, but I know Shannon and Adam have it down perfectly. So Adam's already got the situation in his head. Shannon's already got the closing language practiced. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hey, good morning, Shannon. This is Adam with the Chris Weaver Real Estate Team in Atlantic Sotheby's. How are you doing today?
I'm wonderful, Adam. How are you?
Excellent. I'm doing well, Shannon. Thank you for asking. I was giving you a
welcome.
call because I'd seen that your property had been withdrawn off the market after about 70 days.
Yes, it has.
Had you sold it?
No, no, we didn't.
Okay, all right. Well, Shannon, I see that you're up on the market for sale by owner. What was the reason behind that?
Well, we just want to save a few dollars, to be honest, because we don't have a big enough margin to get a listing agent, to be honest with you. So we're trying to save some money.
Okay, so Shannon, you're looking to save some money. Okay, excellent. I can respect that, absolutely. Now, really, Shannon, let me ask you a quick question, Shannon. If we could sell your home in the next 30 days and save you time and money, would that be worth about 30 to 45 minutes of your time?
If you like the kind of coaching you're getting here, you want to get more coaching in your business, just click the link below and schedule a call with us.
Yeah. I mean, we had a lot of people come through.
So you had a lot of traffic.
We had a lot of traffic. Definitely, it was priced right. There was just some things that
priced right. How did you come up with that price, Shannon?
Well, we actually had an appraiser, and my father is a retired broker, so we kind of,
Okay, so you had some assistance then.
We did have some assistance, but we just had some people just didn't really like the feeling of our house.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's completely understandable. Well, Shannon, there's definitely a buyer for every home. So just keep that in mind. But Shannon, where were you looking to relocate to once you do sell this home?
I honestly don't know if we're going to sell it, Adam. Like I said, people just did not like the feeling of our house.
Okay. Well, I mean, if I brought you a full price offer, yesterday, where were your plans to move to today?
I'll be honest with you again. I don't know if you're really hearing me, but like the people of not liking the feeling, I don't even think we're going to get a full price offer because people walked in, they loved it, and then almost like they ran out scared.
So Shannon, it sounds like you didn't really have a game plan after the home sold. Is that correct?
No. The point is that people literally ran out of the house scared. I don't think we're going to sell it.
Well, I'm telling you that we do have a proven plan here that does get homes sold. So again, Shannon,
how do you handle ghost?
I don't.
Right.
I don't, but we are a team of specialists, and we actually have someone that handles ghosts. I'm just a part of the lead generation team. No, hey, good job, Adam. I think your tone, you guys were a little bit close, to each other, obviously. So your tone shifted over and got a little more aggressive than it probably would have.
Right.
But not horrible, right? Like you were kind of like, hey, listen, like, again, you raised your hand, said you want to sell. You're kind of telling me something I don't think is true. Can we continue this conversation in the form of an appointment? Like that's pretty much where we're going there. You did a good job of trying to nail down the motivations and things like that. So also a really good job of getting on the phone and sounding, really proud to be calling. Like you're like, hey, I've got something for you here. Please listen, without saying please.
I find that the FSBOs, you gotta be a little bit more assertive and direct, and maybe a little bit more firm sometimes. Or at least that's what I've been finding.
I think FSBOs are such a tough one. I think you did really well, Adam, because I find they're tough. They're like, it's like it's them against the man. Like, and you are the man, so they're ready to fight. So.
Yeah, and specifically, a lot of those people are like, high drive, like they think they can do it themselves. They're, aggressive. So the biggest deficit they may see in a broker or a company is that person's not going to be aggressive enough, right? Like that's the first fault that aggressive people see, is not being aggressive enough. So a lot of times they're just really probing and they're giving you a tough time. And if you come back over the top, we talk about that like concept of kind of coming back over and kind of pushing back a little bit. But with for sale by owners specifically, it's a great spot to do it, because if they can tell you're a pusher, that may just be what opens the door to at least talking.
If you like what you're seeing here and you know you can take your business to new heights and you just don't know how to get there, click the link below and schedule a call with us.